So you just got the new PS5. Me too. Now you want to screen capture. You bought the HD60s Plus and now it's not really showing up. I can fix that. What's going on, everybody? It's your boy SBZGaming. Today we're going to be talking about the HD60s Plus, how to set everything up, and this will work with Mac OS. Now, there are specific programs that you have to have, but it also works not only on OBS or StreamYard, but it also works on Streamlabs. It's gonna work. Now, there are 4 things that you're gonna need. The first thing that you're gonna need is the PS5. The next thing you're gonna need, of course, is the HD60s Plus. It's a video about HD60s Plus. Now, you're gonna need either Mac or PC, but specifically since we here at SBZGaming stream on a Mac, you're gonna need a Mac. And the HDMI cables that it came with. I'm assuming you already have these because it came in the box. If you don't, who are you? Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is you wanna go to your settings on the PS5. Once you go to your settings, go all the way down to where it says System. You're gonna go to HDMI, where it says enable HDCP. Make sure you have this setting turned off. Now pull out your capture card and the cables that it came with, because it's now time for the setup. You might have some documentation, but nobody reads it. Now, depending on what Mac you have, if it's an older Mac 2015 or later, the USB-C to USB-A 3.0 that it came with. If you have a Mac that is 2016 or older, you're definitely going to want to use your own USB-C to USB-C high data cable. And the reason you want to do that instead of using the 3.0 into a hub is it will lag. And you don't want lag when you're trying to game capture. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to plug in the HDMI for the in into the PS5, and then that back into the in slot of the HD60s Plus. Now, the out slot can go to a TV or any other monitor. If you don't have a TV, don't worry. If your Mac is fast enough, hopefully it's fast enough, you're going to want to use the actual screen in OBS just to play the games. Now, if you set everything up the way I said that you need to set everything up, everything should be working fine. Now we need to go into OBS. First thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to sources. You're going to want to go to video capture. I'm going to name it PS5. If you have a different system, you can name it different than that. And we're going to go all the way down to where we see game capture HD60s Plus. It's already going to have a use preset check there. I have it on high. You can do 1920 by 1080, or if you have a 4K capture card, you can have it to 4K. So if I go back to my home screen, of course, you're going to see all of the actions that are going on that I'm doing. We'll keep it on God of War for now. Next thing that I'm going to do is I want to hear the sound, or at least see that sound is capability. So we're going to call this the PS5 audio. And we're going to go all the way down until we see game capture HD60s Plus and press OK. Now we see that the PS5 audio is working the way it's supposed to work. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it is helpful to you. And if you use the HD60s Plus or any other capture card, please let me know in the comment section below. Alrighty guys, don't forget, we are still posting a whole bunch of gameplays for Evil West. This series is amazing and you don't want to miss out on that. It's your boy SBZGaming. I'm out.